Okay. Then it is written here, he was sent here and there to Spezia, to Venice, to Bari, finally to China. Now these are the different places where he was actually sent to. So that's why it's written over here that he was sent to many different places. Many different places, like Spezia is actually a place, Venice, Bari, and then to China. And then here he fell ill of some mysterious ailment. Now what had happened is when he reached to China, he fell sick, and there was a kind of a mysterious kind of a pain. Ailment means pain, that kept him in hospital for a month, and due to which he was actually there in hospital for months. He bore it with the mute and uncomprehending patience of a dog. That means, though he was actually having a lot of pain in his body, but then too he was bearing that pain in a manner as if like with the patience of a dog. That means he was just like behaving in a very patient manner, bearing all the pain very patiently, not complaining anything, and not telling anybody that what kind of pain he was feeling. Okay, and that's why that you can say he was struck by a dreadful kind of illness, and due to which he was in a way he was quarantined to a hospital, and that too for many days. And here if you talk about here these lines, that is, he bore it with a mute and uncomprehending patience of a dog. That means what here is that he endured or bore that pain with tremendous patience. Patience of a dog means, that means tremendous patience. When he learned that it was a form of rheumatism that made him unfit for further service, his heart exulted. Now, as soon as he learned this fact that he was actually suffering from a kind of a rheumatism. Rheumatism is actually a problem that comes in your bones and all. So rheumatism is actually, was the kind of disease with which he was suffering with. So when he learned that he was actually suffering with that kind of rheumatism that made him unfit for further service, his heart exulted. Now he was absolutely very, very happy to hear that. Why? For he could go home. Because why? Because he was knowing that now he has got the chance which he was really waiting throughout his life, and that was what? To get back home. And he did not bother, in fact, that he scarcely he scarcely listened, and did not bother. In fact, he scarcely listened when the doctors told him that he would never again be quite well. Now, he did not bother about the fact that he was listening this also, because he has been told by the doctors also that he will never be quite well again. That means the doctors have told him that you are suffering from such a kind of a rheumatism that you will never ever be fine. But he just ignored it. He just didn't listen to what has been told to him, because when the doctors informed him that he had been diagnosed with a form of rheumatism that would render him incapacitated for the rest of his life. Incapacitated means he will not be capable of for the rest of his life. And instead of being disheartened by the news of possible lifelong disability, Salvatore's heart was exulting. He was absolutely very happy, because his illness meant that he was unfit to serve in the army. And that meant what? And that meant that he could finally be home. He could go back home to be united with his family and the love of his life. So that's why it's written here. What did he care when he was going back to the little island he loved so well, and the girl who was waiting for him? Is this clear?